Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I'm Sheetal June and you're watching today's legal news where we update you with the latest legal developments across the country. Starting with the headlines. Delhi High Court wraps Wikipedia in ANI case, issues contempt notice. Shahi Idgah dispute. Muslim side moves Supreme Court against High Court's order upholding maintainability of suits. Hema committee report. Kerala High Court to form special bench of women judges to hear petitions. Coaching center deaths. Delhi High Court seeks CBI's reply to bail pleas of 4 co-owners. Beauty brand Nykaa sues former top officials for contract breach poaching. Now the news in detail. The Delhi High Court has rebuked Wikipedia for not complying with the court's order directing it to disclose information about people who made edits on ANI's Wikipedia page. The single-judge bench of Justice Naveen Chawla issued contempt notice to the agency in this regard and also took strong objection to their counsel submissions that it took them long to appear as the agency isn't locally located. "We will not take it anymore. If you don't like India, don't work here," the court orally remarked as reported. Wikipedia is facing a defamation lawsuit from ANI over the news agency's description on the page. It is ANI's case that Wikipedia did not dispute that 3 individuals who were made defendants in the defamation suit were not administrators on the platform. Considering this, the court had ordered Wikipedia to disclose to ANI the subscriber details of the 3 individuals available with it within 2 weeks during the last appearance on August 20th. However, the disclosure was not made from Wikipedia's end, prompting ANI to file contempt plea. The court, in strong words, has asked Wikipedia to close its operation in India if it doesn't like the country and also warned that it will ask the government to block it. The Muslim side has moved the Supreme Court against the Allahabad High Court order rejecting their petition challenging the maintainability of 18 cases related to the Krishna Janmabhoomi Shahi Idgah dispute in Mathura. The petition challenging the August 1st order of the High Court has been filed in the Apex Court by the Committee of Management Trust Shahi Masjid Idgah through Advocate R.H.A. Sikandar. The petition is likely to be taken up for hearing next week. In the impugned order, the High Court rejected the petition challenging the maintainability of 18 cases related to the temple mosque dispute in Mathura and ruled that religious character of Shahi Idgah needs to be determined. The High Court had dismissed the Muslim side's contention that the suits filed by the Hindu litigants relating to the dispute over the Shahi Idgah mosque complex adjoining the Krishna Janmabhoomi temple violated the Places of Worship Special Provisions Act and were thus not maintainable. The 1991 Act aims to preserve the religious character of places of worship as they were on August 15, 1947. The Act prohibits the conversion of any place of worship into one of a different religious denomination. However, the Ram Janmabhoomi Babri Masjid dispute, which was settled by the Supreme Court after a long period, was kept out of the Act's purview. The Kerala High Court will constitute a special bench consisting of 2 women judges for hearing public interest litigations filed following the publication of Hema committee report on the issues faced by women working in the Malayalam film industry. When an appeal filed by Sajimon Parayil, a producer, challenging the single judge's order that upheld the State Information Commission's directive to release the Hema committee report with limited redactions, the bench, comprising of Acting Chief Justice A. Mushtaq and Justice S. Manu, told the counsel for the producer that the court will form a special bench for considering all petitions filed in the wake of making the report public. The Delhi High Court has asked the Central Bureau of Investigation to file its reply to bail pleas of 4 basement co-owners in connection with the deaths of 3 IAS aspirants in Old Rajendra Nagar. The jailed co-owners of the Old Rajendra Nagar coaching center basement, where 3 civil aspirants died after drowning in July, moved to Delhi High Court seeking bail in the criminal case against them. The 4 co-owners have pleaded that they were merely the landlords of the basement, which was let out on rent to the coaching center and therefore had no role in the unfortunate event. A session court has earlier rejected the bail applications moved by the co-owners of the basement, Parvinder Singh, Tajinder Singh, Harvinder Singh and Sarabjit Singh, saying the CBI probe was in initial stage and their specific roles had to be ascertained. The case being probed under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita (BNS), including sections 105 culpable homicide not amounting to murder, was transferred from the Delhi police to the Central Bureau of Investigation by the High Court. Beauty and fashion major Nykaa has sued its former chief business officer Gopal Asthana, now associated with Tata Click, for alleged breach of confidentiality and attempting to harm Nykaas business. According to the report, Nykaa alleged that he contacted former Nykaa employees, encouraging them to join Tata Click. Some of these employees have switched jobs over the past year. Currently, Asthana heads Tata Click, the digital fashion business of the Tata Group. He was inducted into the company in July last year and has over 20 years of experience in the retail sector. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum. Subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android devices for the latest legal updates.